we have a box here. Came in today. You know, it's a little taped up, of course. You know, we just we're doing an unboxing here of the Yeezy V2, all white, triple white, cream edition. Is that the best way? Don't judge my process, please. Thank you. Clearly I'm the shoe person here. So let's get a nice look inside the box here. As you can see, we have the 350, which stands for Kanye West's intelligence level. Here we have the box, which has the shoes inside of them. So if we open the box here, you can see the shoes are inside as usual. So here they are. Kanye West blessed them himself. It took about 3 weeks for me to get this shoe, so I believe it took so long because Kanye West had them at his house and he wore them a couple times and was like, these are definitely good. So he gave them to me after I paid, of course. So we're also going to run the shoe through a couple of tests after we get the shoes out here. The first test is the smell test. So we're gonna see what the shoe smells like, if it's good or if it's not good. So here we go. We'll get multiple areas of the shoe, of course. We'll get inside and the bottom. So I'd say the shoe smells pretty good for a shoe. The first two smells were about the same, but the last smell at the bottom smelled a little different. I think maybe because the material is different. The next test we have is the drop test. And since these shoes are so expensive, I don't want to drop them from too high, so we're gonna go right about here, I'd say. So let's this is the drop test. Ready, set. Seems to have survived the test. Let's check the shoe just to make sure nothing happened. Looks pretty good to me. So the next test is the put on test. See how they put on. That was pretty smooth. Next shoe. That was pretty smooth too. So the next test we're gonna put these shoes through is the stand test. So here we go. I'd say they fare pretty well. Not bad for a shoe. So the next test is we're gonna go ask some people what they think of the shoe and how comfortable they think they are. So let's go. Hey you, how comfortable do you think these shoes are?
They sound comfy from over here.
What a test. As you can see, my Yeezys are better than the Yeezys previously shown. because they are white. We found another person. So, how comfortable do you think these shoes are?
They smell very comfortable.
That's right.
Oh boy!
So in conclusion, the shoe has really great upper boosts. One of the best parts of the shoe, of course. They smell a little bit different. Maybe it's just because we were wearing them around or something like that. But so out of 7,400 emojis, I give it a 72.
Wow.
Please subscribe, comment, and see you next year.